Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. I have a small Walmart haul and a few items that I picked up from Amazon that I wanted to share with you. Now the items that I got for Walmart are pretty much Valentine's Day, and then I got ribbon from Amazon. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first item I wanted to share with you came over from their crafting area where their fabric and things like that are, and I found these buttons. You get 9 buttons. I thought they were so cute. They're little hearts. They come in pink, white, and red. So I thought those were so cute, so I grabbed a package of those. And then they did have a little bit of fabric out for Valentine's Day, and so I grabbed a couple fat quarters. And I believe these were either $1.47 or $1.97. It doesn't say on here. I found this really pretty buffalo check gingham print, very bright red, light red, and white. I thought that was so pretty. I had to grab 2 of those. So that was fun. This you can use Valentine's Day, Christmas, all year long. So I thought it was so pretty. And then the other one that I found I thought was really cute. This is for Valentine's Day, for the love of your pet. So it has little hearts, dog bones, paw prints on a red background. So I thought that was really cute. So I grabbed one of those. Then I took a little walk and went over into the Valentine's Day decor section, and I found a few more items over there. I have to say, one thing that I really like about Walmart is they have really pretty picks, whether it's Christmas or Thanksgiving or anything like that. So this one I found, it's a Valentine's Day decorative pick. It was $1.98. And I think that's so pretty. So we have 2 kind of light pink roses, a red rose, a glitter rose, some glitter hearts, some glittered berries, and a bow. I thought that was so pretty. You can leave it like this and add it into a floral arrangement or stick it into a potted plant. You could take it apart and use the pieces in a wreath. A lot of different things you can do with these. I thought they were so pretty, so I had to pick up 2 because I figured 1 wasn't enough for a wreath. If I wanted it, I'd need 2. So I grabbed those. Hi, Marley. My kitty showed up. Want to see my kitty? Hi, big boy. Come here. Oh, this is my big Marley. Can you say hi? Can you look into the camera? This is my big boy, my Marley Moo. Oh, he's just a big furball. Okay, baby. Okay. He just wanted to come visit. So then I did find over in the Valentine's Day section, I did find a couple really cute small signs. Now this first sign that I found is only 98 cents. It doesn't have any wording on it, but I thought it was really cute. And they're these little hearts. Now they look kind of like shiplap because they have the grooves cut into them. So you could do a lot with this. So I grabbed 1 in red, and then they also had them in white. So I thought that was a really nice find for 98 cents a piece. I also found this sign. I thought it was really cute. I thought it would look really good on one of the small wreaths. And it says, "Love dwells here." And this was, I believe, like $1.44. So I thought that was really cute. So I grabbed one of those. He's back. And then I have to say, my favorite item that I found, and I don't normally spend this much on signs, but I just fell in love with it, so I did buy it. And it was $7.98. And it is this beautiful Valentine's Day sign. It says, "I love you," and it says, "One love one." And it is nice, thick, heavy duty, very well made. It has a wire hanger up here on the top. But I thought that was so pretty. It would look beautiful on a really nice, big, showy wreath. So I had to grab it. Okay, so those were all of the Valentine's Day items that I found at Walmart. Not too many, but I really like what I found. They tend to be really picked over. I don't know really when they put their stuff out. I always seem to be late, and I'm left with kind of what's left over. But I was happy I found those items. Now, the next couple items that I picked up are just ribbon that I got from Amazon.com. I had a hard time finding pet ribbon. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but Dollar Tree lately has been carrying a lot of plaques for pet lovers. And for example, I had this one for dog lovers. It says, "Home is where my dog is." And then they have this one for cat lovers. It says, "My favorite people have paws." And then recently I found they had 2 dogs and 2 cats. They're plastic, and they're a little larger than the ones I just showed you. And they've been in the stores recently. And they both have different sayings. And they're black and gray and white. So it's of those color choices. So I picked those up as well. I would show you those, but I packed everything away, and of course I can't find them now, but I will eventually. So I wanted to buy some ribbon to go with them. So I did buy some from Amazon, and I have to tell you, Amazon ribbon is expensive. I'm not used to paying $12 or $13 for a roll of ribbon, but I did because they were the only place I could find pet ribbon. So the first one is this one, and it has that gingham background and then little white paw prints and little white bones. So because it is black and white, and the signs I picked up recently are more black, white, and gray, this will go really good with that. And this is 2.5 inch ribbon by 10 yards. And I believe this was $12.75 for a roll, which to me is really expensive. I prefer papermart.com, but they didn't have anything that had paw prints on it. So then this next one is also a 2.5 inch ribbon, and I believe it's also at 10 yards. Can't quite read that. Let's see. 30 feet, which I believe is 10 yards. And so this one is red and black. Red, and it has the little black paw prints on it. So I thought this was really cute to add a little bit of color. And then this one I thought was absolutely gorgeous. It has kind of a burlap background. This is also a paw print. And let's see, 2.5 inch by 10 yards as well. And all of these ribbons were like $12 to $13 a piece on Amazon. So I really like this one. Let me take that plastic off. It's kind of hard to see it. The ribbon, I have to say, is nice and thick and really well made. And it is wired edge. I think that is so pretty. It's going to look so cute in a wreath. Well, thanks so much for joining me today for my quick little haul from Walmart and Amazon. Thanks again for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. You have a great day, and I will catch you next time.